Drinking hot water might be the easiest health hack you've overlooked. Let's explore 10 surprising benefits of drinking hot water and why you should start today. 1. Clears nasal congestion. Ever feel stuffy in the morning? A cup of hot water creates steam that can help loosen clogged sinuses and relieve pressure. Studies show that hot beverages provide quick relief from a runny nose, coughing, and sore throat. Inhaling the steam from hot water can even help soothe irritated sinuses. 2. Aids digestion. Drinking hot water kickstarts your digestive system. It helps dissolve and break down food more efficiently, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Some research suggests that warm water may improve intestinal movement, helping prevent bloating and discomfort. 3. Boost brain function and mood. Did you know that dehydration can slow brain function? Drinking water, especially warm water, has been linked to improved nervous system activity, sharper cognitive performance, and reduced anxiety. Staying hydrated helps keep your mind clear and focused throughout the day. 4. Relieves constipation. Struggling with irregular digestion? Dehydration is a major cause of constipation. Drinking hot water can help soften stool and promote regular bowel movements, making it easier for your body to eliminate waste naturally. 5. Keeps you hydrated. Staying hydrated is key to overall health, and while cold water is refreshing, hot water can be just as effective. Experts recommend drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, and starting your morning with a warm cup can be a great way to meet your hydration goals. 6. Reduces shivering in cold weather. Feeling cold? Instead of layering up, try drinking a hot beverage. Studies show that drinking warm fluids can help regulate body temperature and reduce shivering, making it an effective way to stay warm in chilly conditions. 7. Improves blood circulation. Better circulation means better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout your body. Drinking hot water helps expand blood vessels, improving circulation and potentially lowering the risk of cardiovascular issues. A warm bath has a similar effect, but why not get the benefits from the inside out? 8. Lowers stress and promotes relaxation. Need to unwind after a long day? Drinking hot water can have a calming effect on your central nervous system, helping to lower stress and promote relaxation. Research suggests that staying hydrated leads to better emotional well-being and improved mood. 9. Supports natural detoxification. Your body naturally detoxifies itself, and drinking hot water can support that process. Proper hydration helps your kidneys filter waste more effectively and can even reduce inflammation in the body. Some experts suggest that hot water may enhance this detox effect by improving circulation and digestion. 10. Eases swallowing and digestive conditions. For those with achalasia, a condition that makes swallowing difficult, warm water can make digestion more comfortable. Studies suggest that drinking hot water helps food pass through the esophagus more easily, reducing discomfort and improving digestion. Drinking hot water is a simple yet powerful habit that can benefit your body in many ways, from improved digestion and circulation to stress relief and better hydration. The advantages are undeniable. So, why not start your day with a warm cup of water? Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit from this easy health tip. Stay hydrated, stay healthy,